Dave Cartwright here again with the 73/Vega RS Camaro. And I'd like to point a few things out to you before I get going with this. First off, I'm not here to brag or show off or tell you what I know and you may not know, or what I don't know. I'm here just to share the experience with you, and I hope that you enjoy it. I'm also not one of those people who is going to take 20 minutes to explain how to sharpen a drill because he likes the sound of his own voice. All right, so we're just going to be concise and to the point with this, and get it over with. Something I found interesting, especially in lieu of the fact that I'm not a fabricator, is the lower valance here on the Vega I used on the RS grill opening, and it was at least somewhat easy, because if you'll notice, the curve in the Vega valance is identical to the curve in the RS Camaro opening. So again, not being a fabricator, anything I can do to avoid having to make those type of things helps me out quite a bit. So essentially what I did is I cut a piece here out of the Vega valance, and cut the Vega valance in half, split it together till, as you can see, it fits here. And these are only temporary, obviously. I'm not building a rat rod. These, what I did was I put one on each side, but loose. I left the screws loose. That allowed me to move the valance back and forth till I got it into place, and then I could tighten it. So it wasn't tight right away. And then I'll take this over to the car again. This is something you've seen already, but I'll take it over here to show you. So here is the piece here. Essentially, you can see that's what I cut out of the Vega valance to lower valance in order to bring the two together to fit this here. I've made this piece here. I'll make one for the other side, which will go here, and we'll fill that in, and hopefully it'll look like it never happened, which is kind of the idea, really. And then the next time I'll show you what we're going to do with the lights. I have a plan, and I hope it works. That's all I can tell you. No, it'll work, and we'll go through that, and we'll figure that out. And hope you enjoyed it, and thanks again. And again, I don't need a bunch of critiquing. Just enjoy it and watch it, and try it yourself, maybe. Okay, thanks.